At the return of summer, when the season arrays, when I hear the birds upon the flowers resound, I am pensive with love, where my heart sways. May God grant me joy at my pleasure's bound, or else I think to die without doubt's wound. For I have in the world no other stay profound. Love is the thing that I most desire always. It is not right of love that he should feel the good, who cannot also sustain the ills as well. Charged with them all in penance has she stood, the fair one, who well can reward me, truth to tell. All the ills of a year by one semblance's spell, she would soothe in me through her great worth's flood. She who makes me speak and silence as she would. Another man would long since have taken death's prize, had he loved as I have done always. For never could I by my fair service rise to draw fair semblances I have in other days. Never more in fair service shall I put my faith, if I lose the love where I have my hopes raised. Death, the flower of death, has assured my ways. Alas, I love her so with heart without disguise. Will pure love ever have mercy on my sighs? Much have I placed my pain in a fair place, I know, but joy and succor tarry too long in coming. So never any lover in such hopes lingering waited so long from love the acknowledging as has he, alas, in such great sorrowing. My heart should I hate if I pray so long in vain? Think you that the ill of loving does not give me pain? Not so. By my faith, I have spoken great folly straight. I never seek to have any other delight. As long as it pleases her, I shall be king of France's height. For in all the world there is none of her valor's might, maiden or lady, save that from me she takes flight. I sing and respond of my sweet lady love, and thinking of her comforts me through the night. God, shall I ever see the day she might prove and say, friend, I love you? Truly, I think it right. Love sustains me, in whom I have my face true light.